Hashes is an unordered collection of items. While other data types have only one value as an item, a hash has a key value pair. So we can use symbols, strings, numbers, or any objects as a hash key. Hash values can be any data type, and they can repeat. So let's have a look. Open up the terminal and type IRB to start an interactive Ruby shell. We can create hashes by using curly braces. H equals, open curly brace and close curly brace. So let's see the data type of variable H. H, class, and yeah, the data type is hash. H equals name, John, last name, Doe. Now let's look into the details of this hash. So we used name and last name as hash keys. This syntax is called symbol syntax. A symbol is a basic Ruby object. It looks like a variable, but it is prefixed with a colon. Symbols are unique objects and refer to the same object. Symbols are generally used as hash keys. Their performance is probably better than strings. Equal and greater than symbol is a custom key value assignment syntax for hashes. We can use strings as keys in hashes. H equals name, John. We can use numbers as keys in hashes. H equals 1, test. We can use arrays as keys in hashes. H equals an array, test, 1 as key, test value as value. We could also use a hash as a key in hashes. H equals a hash, name, John as key, test as value. Another way of creating a hash is by using the new class method. H equals hash, new, and it'll create and return an instance of a hash object. So we can give a parameter to a new class method for storing it as a default value. H equals hash, new, test, and yeah, it returns an empty hash object. But the given value is stored in H default. So another way of creating a hash is this. H equals hash, number, 105, test, in brackets. Now in Ruby, we have two different syntaxes for creating hashes. The old syntax is what you just learned. H equals name, John, last name, Doe. And the new syntax is this. H equals name, colon, John, last name, colon, Doe. So with this new syntax, every key is a symbol, and you cannot specify other types as keys. The new colon notation only works when the keys are symbols.